Hey, this is Bode from SignRequest, and today I want to show you how to create a public signing link. This is a super useful tool for when you want the same document to be signed by a larger group of signers. For instance, with a petition. You simply post or send out the link, and people who click it will just be able to sign the document. Simple as that. Let's take a look. First, we need to create a template. For a step-by-step tutorial, check the description box below. What is important here is that signers of your document will be treated as the sender. You are contact one, and you will only need to receive a copy once people have signed your document. This is why you click Only Me. This means that only the people you send the document to will have to sign, and you will get the copy. If you do want to sign the document as well yourself, you click Me and Others. This will allow people to sign first, and then you sign the document after that. Now here we go to Public Signing Link. We can just send this link as is, but we can also modify it somewhat to change the settings. This is what the signers see with the standard link. Here they will have to fill in their email address and their phone number to get a text message verification. But if we don't want to send a text message verification, we add this part to our link. We can also pre-fill some information when we send it to a specific person. This is how you pre-fill the email address. You can do the same thing for phone numbers. Find all the link options in the article I have linked to below. Now we're all set and we can start collecting some signatures.